And how long have you had this account?
I've had it since it was June.
Okay.
I've had it since June, yeah. Middle of June.
Okay. So far everything was good. Yeah, I love the fact that you're using that. It stands out. Definitely stands out.
I had that video that has just gone viral. Can you see it? Second row. Unfortunately, it's got nothing to do with digital marketing.
Yeah,
but
in 100 years, so like 21, 23, we will all be buried with our families and friends. Strangers will live in our home.
Oh my goodness, look at all the comments.
And someone else, everything we have today. Most of our possessions will be given away or thrown out and destroyed, including the car that we spent a fortune on and will probably be scrapped.
So now the cool part about this video is unless TikTok has changed, but as of a few days ago, I know for a fact that if somebody engages in one of your videos for the next 2 days, all your content is going to be pushed in their For You page. So that's what's awesome like that, right? So I always tell people, if you get a video like that gets going good like that, like make sure that you're the next video that you create is a really good, juicy one with picture painting and storytelling, because they are going to see that video.
Wow. Okay. I haven't done that though, because I've done more videos since then, and I've just done my regular videos.
Yeah, you're fine. I'm just saying, like, for now on, if you see a video like start getting more engagement than usual, make sure that next video you create is really juicy, really good with storytelling and picture painting.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
And so one thing here I'm going to recommend is not put that.
But I thought I needed to respond to you before sleeping tonight.
Right. And at the very beginning. Right. So first of all, what I recommend is just thank them. And because here's what I think about when you reply to this. TikTok loves when you reply. So they push your video out.
Okay.
I want you to think about that. If you're going to reply to that, how can you reply to that, but think about 200 other people that have never heard of you watch the video as well.
Right. Okay.
And so, for example, this is what I would say. Like when it says ready, just like you could be like this. What does it say their name? Like if it says their name, you can say it, but sometimes just like, hey, thank you. I'm so excited that you are ready to launch your own online business, ready to learn how you automate your business, ready to learn how you can master getting your income earning activities done in 2 hours a day, and ready to make 100% profit online. So all you need to do next is go here. This is my website. And then it's going to take you to this page. And you can maybe put that page on the screen. You just put your email in right there, and you're immediately going to be sent a video. And I'm also going to send another video to your email. Between those two videos, it literally answers 99% of your questions. So if you would happen to be that 1% that has a question, just reply back to that email, and I would absolutely love to answer your question. And I'm so excited to get to know you and work with you. But I want you to know I'm very proud of you for wanting more for your life.
Right. Okay.
So, you know what I'm saying? You're doing the exact same thing, but then I always think when I reply to these comments, like, how can the audience, because this is going to be pushed out to the For You page. So how can I make sure that people understand what I have?
Okay.
And then you're hitting two birds. So I would do that because that's so cool that you're replying to them. I love that. So good. So good. Okay.
I almost didn't start my online business because I couldn't figure out a way to combine it with it.
T-ball gaming.
That's the best.
So, yep. So thank you again, Michelle.
Well, thank you for being such a bright light. And you're always so good on my lives. It helps.
Thank you, Michelle.
Oh, such a great group, you guys. All right, Donald, you are up.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. How are you?
Well, first of all, I want to say hi, Michelle. How you doing? Nice to meet you finally. My question is regarding TikTok. I'm new to TikTok, but I haven't used it until I joined this program. When I joined this program, I learned how to use it really fast. And it wasn't that hard. but I learned really fast. My question is this. I'm doing my 3 contents a day. I'm doing my 3 videos, but the problem I'm having, and I don't know if it's a problem, I won't say it's a problem, but this thing I'm noticing is I'm getting most of my responses are people saying, I like your video. That's pretty much, nobody's really commenting, but all I'm getting is, I like your video. It's like, that's fine. Now I might get a 1 or 2 infos in somewhere in there once, maybe a week, once or twice a week. But I'm mainly getting, I like your videos. My question is that something I should be concerned about, or do I need to retrain my algorithm, or?
Okay, so the people that are commenting, I like your video, are they, could be a potential customer?
I would think there could be a potential customer. Okay. I would like
so
to
this
think
is
that
how I would respond. I would respond with this. So what part? Respond, hey, thanks for, thanks for commenting. What part did you like best about the video?
Okay.
Start the conversation. Or what I would do, if you think it's somebody that's like, what I do is, you guys will see that there's sometimes I will video a response, right? Take a question and I will video it. You could take one of them and say, hey, thanks so much for your comment on my video. I just have a question for you. What part was it with that video that you liked the best? I would really love to know, because if I know, then I can help make sure to deliver more value for you.
Hey, good idea. I like that.
Yeah, and then people will see, in the TikTok world that you engage and you you notice people, and more people are gonna want to comment and engage with you.
Perfect. All right, thank you.
Good questions, you guys. Like, man, this is awesome. All right, so Shannon, you're up next. All right, we'll go to Shane.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm down in my basement, so I got my camera off. My question is, with the ChatGPT, I hear most of the comments and on the use of it, they keep talking about using it for TikTok. And I'm not real, settled with TikTok yet. And I know there's some stuff going on in the House and the Senate with all that legal stuff with ties to China and all that stuff. But so I'm kind of unsettled on their future, and so I want to kind of maybe stick to Facebook for now until see how things pan out. So, and I haven't really heard anybody really word anything to use like for Facebook posts, or can I use the same wordage in that to use for Facebook posts?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, just use the word Facebook though. Yeah. And then ChatGPT will understand that, and then they'll start helping you with Facebook. Absolutely.
Okay, I just wanted to clarify just to make sure, because I'm still pretty new with the ChatGPT and all that stuff, and I don't fully understand it all yet.
Yeah. And again, your first thing to do is really getting, go launch to profit. Do that in your Legacy Builder program, launch to profit in 7 days, and really go through the 30-day growth strategy market plan. And those are the 2 things I would work on. I wouldn't try to use ChatGPT right now and get fancy. I would go through those first.
Okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Good question.
Trajectory of my finances. And I mean that when I say that. So I am a nurse, a registered nurse here in San Francisco, California. Before I met this program in March, I was working 2 jobs, day job, 12-hour shift in cardiology, night job, nursing home, charge nurse. And 4 months into the program, I quit my night job. In August, I quit my day job.
Wow.
So this is all I do for now. Now, next year, I am going to go back to work, only to work 1 day a pay period, because I got to keep my nursing license active, because I paid $75,000 for that nursing license, and I took the state board 3 times before I passed it. So I'm not just going to let it go inactive. All I want to say is I am very, very, very close to $100,000 in 8 months.
Ooh.
Thanks to you, Michelle. I really do appreciate this. And talking about focus, I Can you hear me?
Yeah, perfect. And congratulations. And don't thank me. Thank you. Thank you for being coachable and consistent and following the process. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Yay.
I want to say I am not focused on the destination. The destination comes to me. I'm focused on the process. I'm enjoying the process. So I go live on TikTok. I go live on Facebook. And I actually have a peel on, stick off kind of sticker on my Audi car that says digital marketing for beginners. And I get a lot of leads that convert into sales doing that. Okay. I just
That's
do
brilliant,
whatever,
by the way.
yeah, I just do whatever it takes for me to get leads and that convert. And that's my focus. Like this morning, they broke into my car in the driveway, broke into a lot of cars in the driveway. Can you believe I got my car fixed in less than 2 hours? They came to my driveway, fixed it up. I had no worries. In all this, in July, I lost my mom and burial in Africa. No worries. Why? Because I have an online process that runs on automations, that does the buying, selling, closing for me. And thanks to you. So I want to say in this life, Michelle, I have a lot of potential customers in Nigeria, but the payment link on the website does not allow Nigerians to buy. Can you please get us a payment link that works in Nigeria? They need this program.
So, can you reach out to Michelle S? It's tech and billing at and just email her and just share that with her.
I will. I will.
I'm getting it for her. So they can't use PayPal there?
They cannot use PayPal there. No, not in Nigeria. But other African countries have no problem, but Nigeria has that problem. And that's why I'm here.
So can they use, here, let me get you that email. Can they use, like checking account?
Yeah, they can use checking account. They got bank accounts over there. But
I think Michelle has given a way to do that they can take checking account and do drafts
directly from the website.
I think
so. How do we get that link?
Anyway, I just put the email in there.
Yes, ma'am.
Email her and ask her about that. Say Michelle says something about taking bank drafts for like Nigeria.
Yes.
And ask her about that.
I sure will. I will ask about that. Thank you so much, Michelle.
Yeah, thank you and congratulations. I'm so proud
my
of you.
goal, my goal for next year is to make help over 1,000 families next year, and that will put me 3 customers a day. I'm actually, some days I make 3 customers a day, and I'm focused on the $900. I don't say nothing about the 100 or 300. No, I'm focused on the 600 or 900 in my lives and in all I do, because the more the better.
Yes, I love it. And Tanya said that there is one inside, or somebody said there is one inside the training that talks about how to use bank draft. I thought there was too. So you might look, but email her and she can send you the link.
Okay, and I can put that link in my system.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Jolie just put something in the chat. You might check out what people are putting in the chat because I think they're helping you with that in the chat.
Got it. Got it. I sure will. Thank you so much.
And congratulations. I love that.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Love it. You guys, you have no idea how many.
If you want to know more about how you also can benefit, put ready in the comments. Thank you.